Guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video here is this cute little adorable project. Let me just show you. I'm sorry that I keep doing this with my arm thing. I just need a new handle, and it's kind of annoying. Okay, so this project right here is totally inspired by Angie. She is stamping with Amori. She did this really super easy shadow box. No, wait. Yeah, a shadow box, a shadow book box. I forgot what she named it. But it's a shadow box on your actual box. I know, right? It came out so freaking cute and it's so easy to do. So, of course, I added these, I guess, liquid pearls. These are from Michael. And they're not completely dry, so that's why I'm being a little careful. But this is the box, and it's a very simple, easy box to do. I just put some little pom-poms, a little bit of some embellishments just to add something to the box. Let's see how big this thing is. So the box itself is 4x2. So it's a really nice size to fit, a lot of little embellishments. Are they cute? Then the lid is the star of the show. The lid is an actual shadow box. You see? Isn't it cute? And I added one of my gorgeous girls. I put flowers all around the little frame. So she's inside in her little garden, which I think is so cute. Then I added this trim all around. I added little beads to the flowers. And then, of course, the famous Frank Garcia dots all over the box. And I think it came out so freaking cute, so easy. Oh my God, so easy. So I'm going to put the link to her tutorial in the description bar. Make sure you go check it out. Tell her I sent you and have fun. Make these because I'm telling you, easy. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.